So in our course, we are discussing about a wastewater treatment plant. Wastewater treatment plant that treat the domestic sewage, and there is another different wastewater treatment plant that treat effluent, that effluent generated from the industries. So here we are in a Sarvottam school that is based in Greater Noida. This school is reusing the complete domestic sewage with the help of sewage treatment plant, and the water is getting treated from the STP is getting used for gardening and flushing purpose. Water level of metropolitan cities are laying down 2 to 2.5 meter every year. If the water level will be laying down like this, the future generation will face lots of challenges. So, how the water can be saved and reused again and again? There is a need of STP. There are different kind of STPs, there are different kind of technologies available in India. But the technology that I am going to share is MBBR, Moving Bed Bioreactor. So I will explain about the technology so you will be able to understand that how the technology works in a different stages and how the quality of treated water is coming. I will show you the demo, the actual image, the actual video. In a STP plant, the wastewater treatment is getting treated in 4 stages. First one is physical treatment. Second one is primary treatment. Third one is secondary treatment. And the fourth one is tertiary treatment. So I'm coming to with the plant where I will explain you from where the wastewater is coming, the domestic sewage is coming, and how the treated water is getting treated. So this is the STP plant that has been installed here. The capacity of STP plant is 125 KLD, means 1,25,000 liters per day. Let me explain about how STP works. The STP plant have 2 parts. One is this complete tank where the water is going from one stages to another stages, and the second one is electromechanical part. You can see here in electromechanical parts there are blowers, there is a panel, there are pumps, different kind of pumps. So wastewater is coming here in this tank, that is equalization tank. Then from this tank, with the help of pump, sewage pump, we are lifting the wastewater to an anoxic tank. In an anoxic tank, we are reducing the ammonia of wastewater. And after that, the wastewater is getting treated in stage wise. Like we are reducing the BOD and COD of wastewater in different stages. In MB, there are 2 tanks, MBBR1 and MBBR2. In MBBR1, we reduce 55 to 60% of BOD and COD. In second one, the same concept applies. After that, there is a tube settler tank and then clear water tank. So I will explain you how I'm here going to operate the STP plant, the air blower. This is the air blower. The air blower has been started. The air blower has been started. The process is start from equalization tank. Then this is an anoxic tank. This is MBBR. This is MBBR2, and that one was MBBR1. With the help of air blower, we are giving air to both tanks and there are MBBR media. So we generate bacteria over the MBBR media that helps to reduce the BOD and COD. After that, this tank is tube settler tank. There is a clear water tank. So you can see the panel. From here, every motor air blower has been connected, and this panel is controlling the complete STP plant. This is a sludge recirculation pump that is helping and transferring the sludge to sludge holding tank, and this pump is filter feed pump. This is a part of tertiary treatment There are filters also, ACF and MGF, activator carbon filter and sand filter. So there are two filters, ACF and MGF. ACF helps to reduce the color from the water, MGF helps to reduce the odor from the water. This is part of tertiary treatment. I will show you the quality of a treated water, what kind of quality we are getting from the STP that is being used for a gardening and flushing purpose. I'm going to start the filter feed pump and I will show you here the treated water quality. I'm going to start filter feed pump and then I will show you the quality of treated water. So from this plant there is a pipe that has been connected and they are collecting the water in a tank, and from that collection tank they are using the water for a gardening and flushing. This pipe is going and connecting to that tank there, and this is the bypass line from where the purpose of this sample line is so we can check, a user can check the quality of water. So now I'm going to open this valve and you can see the quality of the treated water. So this is the quality that we are getting from STP outlet, and this water is very clean and it's been getting used for a gardening flushing purpose. Hope you all understand how does STP work, how the sewage water is getting treated in a STP plant, and the importance of a STP. See you in next video.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.